Good morning students. Welcome back to Alchemy online class. Class 5 features in Microsoft Word 2013. So in last video we all have seen how to do the paragraph settings and live spacing. So in this video we are going to see some new features, like example you all have seen newspapers, right? In newspaper so many columns and pictures are divided into some boxes. So this formatting, how it is done, this is called column formatting. So we are going to see how to do the column formatting like a newspaper in this video. So students, now I am showing you a newspaper and you can see the magazines also. Now you can see here different kind of fonts and different kind of letters are arranged in different box, like trending, slanting, slipping. So different kind of news are present in the different columns. So how it happens? So it happens through the column formatting, that is in Word 2013. So we will see from the textbook that how to do the steps of column formatting. Column formatting. You must have noticed the manner in which articles are written in a newspaper. The text under a heading is arranged in the form of columns. So we are going to see the steps how to do the column formatting. First of all, we have to select the text which has to be displayed in column. Then after we will click the page layout tab. Then after click on column option of the page setup group. A drop down list appears. Then after choose and click the desired number of columns you want. So I will show you an example from my laptop. See, first of all you have to select the text. Then after click on page layout. Here columns. Now we can arrange it in 2 columns. So I will do it 2. So here you can see it comes on in 2 columns. It comes on the 2 column. It formatting has done by the 2 columns. So now next option we are going to see is more column formatting. How to do the more columns? From the different type of formatting we can do. First again we have to click on column option. Here you can see the more column option. By using more column option, example you want to set the line in between. You want line in between. Then after you will click OK. So here line will come. After doing the line, it comes the line by giving the steps. You can click again. I will tell you. Click on columns, more, and you can click on line between. We want line between in the columns. Then I will click and then after OK, it will present the line. So like that we can do the column setting in Word 2013. So students, we are going to see the next feature of Word 2010, that is find feature. Find feature means, example, there is lot of paragraphs and number of paragraphs are there in our Word file, and I want to find some word or some any group I want to find out. So I can use find feature. To find feature, the steps are, first of all we have to click on home tab. Then after click on the find option and in the editing group. From the editing group, after that type the word that you want to search. The word we want to search, we can click on that column. Then after we can search that page. Example you can see in the picture as given. First step home tab, second find, third what word we want to find out, we have to click here, and then step 4 go, and we can navigate an example. Here I can show you on my desktop how to find that. First of all click on home tab. I will click on find. You can see here find. Now I want to find food. So FOOD, food. OD, food. Then after I will click on search box. So I can able to search find all the food words are present in the yellow highlighter. Okay. Now we can, as we find the words, we can replace the words from the last word from the new word. How to replace? First of all, we will click on home tab. Then after we will click on replace. We will click on replace, and then after click on the find and replace dialog box. It appears, and find what word we want to, that we will write, and then after we will replace with the box what kind of word we want. There are so many options are there for replacing. Replace, replace all. Replace means only replace that one word. Otherwise replace all means you can replace all the words. And then after find next. So you can see this picture in the course book also, how to find, and I will show you on my computer desktop also. First of all, again I will click on home tab. Here you can see replace option. I can click on replace option. Here three tabs are there: find, replace and go. So we have to go on replace. If I want to replace food to replace with another word, so I can click on replace, otherwise replace all or next. So this kind of word we can see on the replace option. So you can try at your home by using Word 2010 find features and find and replace feature. You can use the shortcut for find and find replace feature. You can easily do the shortcuts by using from the keyboard. To find the text, control plus F. Find and replace text, control plus H. I hope you all have understood the concept today I taught you. So you all have to read your course book at your home daily, because for understanding the concept very clearly. Bye students, be safe, stay home.